We got some more stuff from Lowe's. As you know, I'm an affiliate for Lowe's, so they sent me some more stuff. So let's get into it. It's going to be fun. All right, as you can see, I got a 13-inch planer, Win. Team lift. I don't know why they say that. It's not heavy. But as you can see, 3-blade cutter head. So I just got it tipped up on the side so I can show you. So let me get this thing out of the box and get into it. All right, there it is. Got it out of the box, got it put together. You have to put the dust chute on this knob or screw here, one here. It comes in the kit. And of course, the tools for it's right here, the store right here. And you also have to put this on, the handle. And once you put it on there, you flip it over like that. These just fold up. Right this minute, I got it adjusted down pretty far because I don't have any other wood to plane other than this piece. But as you can see, we're just going to take a little bit off. Like a 1/32. I don't really have a bigger, thicker piece to plane at the moment. So we're just going to run that one through it and see how it does in just a minute. But see, here you can see you got to put this on. It just fits in 2 slots over here. And then screw this in and screw this in. That's all it is to it. That's for the dust. And I already got the shop vac hooked to it. Yeah, I'm going to need, running this and that miter saw, I'm going to need something a little bit better for dust collection than that. So we'll see. And naturally with this on here, the dust collector chute, this does not fold up all the way and it won't stay up either. It'll stay up all the way. Let's see. If that dust chute wasn't on there and you could fold it up all the way, it'll stay up. And it's metal. It's not plastic. It's all metal. So let's run a piece of wood through it, see how it works. All right, let's see this thing in action. It might be a little loud, so there that is, right? Well, I have to say, it's not really that loud. And I had the planer going and the vacuum cleaner going, and it wasn't really all that loud. Now, I did this side first. This side was really rough. I did it first before I turned the camera on just to make sure it didn't shoot through, right? You see there's spots on it? I don't know. That was in the wood before I ran it through the planer. I don't know what all that is. That's kind of weird, isn't it? But I mean, it did pretty good. It's still kind of rough, but this is the side I did while the camera was on. This side here is smooth. Came out really good. Really impressed. And I'll have to say too, it really didn't put out all that much wood chips or dust or anything. Of course, I didn't take that much off, only a 30-second, but there that is, right? So I think it's pretty good. There's no snipe on it. Of course, that usually occurs when the board is longer, and as the board's starting through, it's kind of hanging up like this because it's not in all the way to where it's holding it level on the tables. And also when it comes out the other end, the weight of it tries to lift up on it, and that's what causes the snipe most of the time. So you need, if you're going to do a long piece, you need some supports out there to hold it up on both sides. So there that is. I think it turned out pretty good. This side was kind of rough too. especially where the screw holes was at. I just took screws out of it. It had 2 pieces of wood going this way screwed onto it. I took them off so I could use it. So this is the only piece I had to put through the planer, and it was longer. I had to cut it in half, or almost in half. Anyway, I also have, I'm going to be doing any kind of woodworking stuff. I need these too, right? Some clamps. These are 24-inch. You can see right there on the tag. So, you know, I'll probably need some bigger ones. All you woodworkers out there that's watching, if there is any, let me know some common sizes to get and how many I should get down there in the comments. I would appreciate it. Oh, I didn't show you, but I did get 2 of them, right? Just in case. So these are going to work out pretty good. You see this right here? This is how they adjust. This is kind of in the way, but you just push that in. And you can adjust it wherever you want it, and then tighten it, do the final tightening right here. Everybody knows how to use these that's into woodworking, but in case you don't, there you go. And I guess I don't need to show the owner's manual of the tool, do I? Now, it's an excellent planer so far. Anyway, I mean, I've only ran 1 piece of wood through it, so we'll see in the long term. But just doing it every now and then here around the house or the shop, it's going to work out great for me. It doesn't matter if it's homeowner grade or whatever you want to call it. That's ridiculous, I think. If it works for you, it works for you. We shouldn't be out here judging people by the brand of tools they use. That's just stupid. If you want to get any of this stuff, there will be links to Amazon and Lowe's in the description. I would appreciate it if you would pick it up at Lowe's. They'll deliver it. They delivered that and these clamps. I will say the delivery guy, I guess, was straining with it. And when he got to my front porch, he just kind of, or front door, he just kind of dropped the box on the end. I was hoping it didn't damage it, and it didn't. So thankfully they had it packaged pretty good inside the box. I guess the guy was a weakling or something, because it's not really all that heavy. That's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.